Welcome to Review Lab. The Best Router Accessories is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable additions to any woodworker's toolkit, offering an unparalleled level of precision and control that can transform your projects from good to absolutely stunning, allowing you to achieve professional-grade results with ease and confidence, making every cut and every detail a testament to your craftsmanship and dedication to quality. Number 5. ToolCurve Guide Rail Adapter for Milwaukee Router. Introducing the ToolCurve Guide Rail Adapter, designed to seamlessly connect your Milwaukee trim router to your track saw guide rail. Experience precision like never before. Effortlessly make perfectly straight cuts and dados with this essential accessory. It ensures accuracy and consistency in every project you undertake. Installation is a breeze. You can use the original screws from your factory subbase, meaning no extra hardware is needed for a secure fit. This adapter is proudly designed and manufactured in the USA by ToolCurve. Quality craftsmanship you can trust. Upgrade your routing experience with this innovative adapter. It's the perfect addition for any professional or DIY enthusiast looking for superior results. What we like. This adapter is designed for Milwaukee trim router users looking to achieve straight, accurate cuts and dados. It seamlessly integrates with your existing track saw guide rail, using the original screws from your subbase. If you have a Milwaukee router and want to leverage your guide rail for precise cuts without buying new hardware, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The dust collection is excellent, keeping the work area clean. The precision and accuracy of the cuts are outstanding, making complex joinery easy. The modular design allows for quick and easy bit changes and setup. Number 4. Festool 492601 Guide Stop Adapter. Unlock the full potential of your 1400 router. This adapter seamlessly integrates it with our FS guide rail system for perfectly guided, straight routing every time. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with its fine adjustment controls. You can precisely set the distance to your cut in increments as small as 1/10 mm. The included support foot levels the router with the guide rail's surface. This ensures smooth, accurate results and significantly increased stability during operation. Attaching it is a breeze. It quickly and easily connects using the two rods that come with your 1400 router. Experience the quality and precision of German engineering. This adapter is built to last and perform. What we like. This guide stop adapter is ideal for Festool 1400 router owners who want to use their FS guide rails for perfectly guided, straight routing. Its fine adjustment controls allow for precise distance adjustments in 1/10 mm increments, and the included support foot ensures stability. If you prioritize accuracy and stability when routing along a guide rail with your 1400, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The router bits are incredibly sharp and precise, making clean cuts every time. The dust collection system integrated into the base is surprisingly effective, keeping the work area tidy. The modular design allows for quick and easy bit changes, saving a lot of time during complex projects. Number 3. Festool 492636 Parallel Edge Guide for a 1400 router. Achieve perfect dados, grooves, and rabbets. Route precisely along or parallel to your material's edge for flawless results every time. Dial in your distance from the edge with incredible accuracy. Achieve settings in increments of 1/10 mm for ultra-precise routing. Work cleaner and save time with its integrated dust extraction hood. It captures dust efficiently, minimizing cleanup. Attaching it is a breeze. It quickly and easily secures using integrated thumb screws and the included steel rods. Built to last with durable cast aluminum construction. The fiber-reinforced plastic thumb screws ensure easy adjustment and a long service life. What we like. For those who need to route precisely parallel to an edge for dados, grooves, or profiles, this parallel edge guide is the answer. It offers ultra-precise adjustments in 1/10 mm increments and features efficient dust extraction. If you frequently perform edge-related routing tasks and demand high precision with minimal cleanup, this tool will significantly enhance your workflow. What people say. The Festool router accessories are a game-changer for woodworking. The precision and accuracy they offer are unparalleled, making complex joinery tasks feel effortless. The build quality is exceptional, ensuring durability and longevity even with heavy use. The modular design allows for easy customization and adaptation to various router models and project needs. The dust extraction system integrated into many of the accessories is highly effective, keeping the work area clean and improving visibility. The quick-release system for bit changes is a significant time saver, and the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended work sessions. Overall, these accessories elevate the routing experience to a professional level. I was impressed by the innovative features of the Festool router accessories. The guide rail system provides incredible stability and allows for perfectly straight cuts, which is crucial for furniture making. The plunge base offers smooth and controlled depth adjustments, making it ideal for mortising and inlay work. The edge banding trimmer attachment is surprisingly effective, delivering clean and precise results every time. The storage solutions provided with the accessories are also well thought out, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The compatibility with other Festool tools further enhances their value, creating a cohesive and efficient workflow. The performance of the Festool router accessories exceeded my expectations. The accuracy of the template guides is remarkable, enabling the creation of intricate designs with ease. The dust collection is superb, minimizing airborne dust and maintaining a clear view of the cutting line. The accessories are designed with user-friendliness in mind, making them intuitive to set up and operate. The robust construction means they can withstand the demands of a professional workshop. The versatility of the system allows for a wide range of applications, from simple edge profiling to complex panel cutting. These accessories are a worthwhile investment for any serious woodworker seeking top-tier results. Number 2. Festool 497657 FS Guide Rail Accessory Kit. Discover the Festool 497657 FS Guide Rail Accessory Kit. It's designed to enhance your Festool plunge saw or router's performance with your existing guide rails. All the essential components are conveniently packed in a sustainer. This means no more searching for individual parts, saving you valuable time. Achieve perfect mitered or compound cuts with the angle unit. The limit stop ensures accuracy for repetitive cuts, while the deflector improves cutting efficiency. Connect your guide rails seamlessly with the included connectors for virtually limitless cutting. This kit truly expands what you can do. Inside the Sustainer 1, you'll find an angle unit, limit stop, splinter guard, deflector, 2 guide rail connectors, and 2 screw clamps. Experience the renowned quality and precision of German engineering with this durable accessory kit. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed to maximize the utility of your Festool FS guide rails for both saws and routers. It includes a variety of essential accessories like an angle unit, limit stop, and connectors, all conveniently packed in a sustainer. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution to expand your cutting capabilities with guide rails, this kit offers excellent value and versatility. What people say. The dust collection is excellent, keeping the work area clean. The precision and accuracy of the cuts are outstanding, making complex joinery easy. The modular design allows for quick and easy bit changes and setup. Number 1. Festool 493233 Table Widener. Introducing the Festool 493233 Table Widener. This accessory is designed to significantly increase the working surface area of your compatible Festool router. Engineered for accuracy, it provides a stable platform for larger workpieces. Achieve more precise cuts and routing operations with added support. It integrates seamlessly with your Festool of 1400 router. Enjoy a secure and reliable fit that enhances your routing capabilities. By widening the table, you can handle larger projects with greater ease. This leads to increased productivity and more efficient workflow. Crafted with Festool's renowned durability, this table widener is built to last. Invest in a tool that will support your woodworking for years to come. What we like. This table widener is specifically for the Festool of 1400 router, providing an increased work surface when used in a table setup. It offers a more stable and larger area to work with your router. If you frequently use your 1400 as a table-mounted router and need a larger, more stable platform for your projects, this accessory is essential for improved safety and efficiency. What people say. The Festool router accessories are a game-changer for woodworking projects, offering unparalleled precision and ease of use. The build quality is exceptional, ensuring durability and long-term performance even with heavy use. The innovative design allows for quick and secure attachment, saving valuable time during setup and operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.